Yes students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome to our video lecture. Today students, we are going to start with the 17th sum of exercise 9.4. Exercise 9.4 students, I am going to start with the 7th sum. First of all students, let us collect the data. We are given that find the equation of a curve passing through point 0, minus 2. So the given point is a 0, minus 2. And given that at any point p x, y on the curve, the product of slope of its tangent and y coordinate, again given at any point p x, y, the product of slope and y coordinate is equal to x coordinate of the point of contact. Now students, geometrical interpretation of slope is nothing but dy by dx. So y into dy by dx is equal to x. This you will study students in chapter number 6. That geometrical interpretation of slope is nothing but dy by dx. So let us collect the given data at any given point a, 0, minus 2 is the given point. At any point p x, y on the curve, the product of slope, which is m, and that is dy by dx into y coordinate is equal to x coordinate of the point of contact. Therefore, the variable separable form will be y dy is equal to integration x dx plus c. Now students, I can write directly this much after doing 16 sums. So on integrating, we get y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus c dash. Therefore, y square minus x square is equal to twice c dash is equal to k is the general solution. Now, substituting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2, we get 4 minus 0 is equal to k. So, the required curve will be y square minus x square is equal to 4, which is a hyperbola. So students, we get this way the required curve. So as per the given condition students, as per the given condition, the required curve is y square minus x square is equal to 4. Now let us do sum number 18. Now let us do students sum number 18 of exercise 9.4. These word problems are very interesting students, and this type of questions have repeatedly students asked in board examination. At any point x, y of a curve, the slope of tangent is twice the slope of line segment joining the point of contact to the point minus 4, minus 3. Now this is bit hard to understand. Say what is given at any point x, y of a curve, the slope of tangent. So given at point P x, y, the slope of tangent is twice slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is n, and that is dy by dx. Slope of tangent is twice the slope of line segment joining point of contact to the point A. Now another point is A. which is say -4, -3. Now, slope of line AP is equal to say y2 minus y upon x2 minus x1. Now, what is given? The slope of tangent is twice this slope. Let us call this as M1. Then, according to given slope of tangent is twice slope of line segment or line AB. Therefore, dy by dx will be equal to twice y plus 3 students upon x plus 4. So this is students dy by dx. Now convert these students into variable separable form. So we will get students dy upon y plus 3 is equal to twice integration dx upon x plus 4. In students variable separable form, we group y terms with dy and students we group x terms with dx. So here I should write a constant says e dash. So log mod y plus 3, or even I can write constant as log c plus is equal to twice log mod x plus 4 plus log c. So mod y plus 3 is equal to mod x plus 4 the whole square into c. So y plus 3 is equal to plus or minus c into x plus 4 the whole square. So y plus 3 is equal to k into x plus 4 the whole square, students, is the general solution. Now students, the curve is passing through point A. Substituting x is equal to -4, y is equal to -3. So if I take y as -3, 0 is equal to students. Sorry, the curve is passing through the point A -2, sorry, another point is given. Sorry students. The curve is passing through the point B -2, 1. Sorry students. So we have to substitute x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 1. Sorry, this was the point for line segment, students. Okay. So substituting students, x is equal to -2, y is equal to 1. So 4 is equal to k. 4 minus 2, 2 square is 4. So k is equal to 1. So the required curve is y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 the whole square. Sorry students, the other point was given by mistake. I took point A, I should have taken point B. Let us check students, the answer must be written in the same form. So we are getting correct. Y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 the whole square. So students, this will be shifted parabola. I can take x plus 4 as capital X. So I will get x square is equal to capital Y, where capital Y is equal to y plus 3. You are taught shifted parabola in 11th standard by sir in conic section. So students, the required parabola or the curve is y plus 3 is equal to x plus 4 the whole square. Now students, we go for problem number 9 and mark 19th question as students one of the most important word problem. The volume of a spherical balloon being inflated changes at a constant rate. Sum number 19 students. Volume of a spherical balloon is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. The rate of change of volume is constant. We are given dV by dt is equal to constant, where k is an real arbitrary constant. So d by dt of 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to constant. So 4 by 3 pi 3r square dr by dt is equal to constant. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 4 pi r square dr is equal to k into dt. Students, this is our variable separable form. Mark this as very important word problem, students. If I would be the examiner, then students, I would definitely ask this word problem. Now, on integration, students, we get 4 pi r square dr is equal to k integral 1 dt plus c. So we will get 4 pi r cube by 3 is equal to kt plus c. Where c is the arbitrary constant of integration. Now, students, the next point, what is given? If initially its radius is 3 units, at time t is equal to 0, at t is equal to 0, r is equal to 3 units. So students, when I take t is equal to 0, r is equal to 3, so 4 pi r cube 27 by 3, 9 is equal to k into 0 plus c, so c dt 36 pi. Therefore, this changes to 4 pi r cube by 3 is equal to kt plus 36 pi. So this is our equation 2. We got the arbitrary constant of integration, and after 3 seconds its radius is 6 units. So after t is equal to 3 seconds, r will be 6 units. So I can take t is equal to 3 here, r will be 6. So this is 6 into 36 by 3 is equal to 3k plus, t is equal to 3, so plus 36 pi. 3 ones are 3 2s are. We can write 36 into 2, 72 into 4 pi minus 36 pi is equal to 3k. Throughout take 3 common. So here students, this is 36, so 72, so 12 into 6. I can take 12 common. Okay. Taking 12 common, this is 24 pi, and this will be 3 pi is equal to 3k. 3 ones are 3, 4s are 20. Okay, students, from this I have taken 12 common, so 24, and here 3, 24 minus the 21 pi into 4, so 84 pi is equal to 3. So our constant we have already got, students. So substituting k is equal to 84 pi, we get 4 pi r cube by 3 is equal to 84 pi into t plus 36 pi. Now what is asked? Find the radius of balloon after t seconds. So we have to make r a subject of formula. Now students, what we can do, here I am writing 4 pi by 3 r cube. Here I can take 12 pi common. So what I will get is 70 plus 3. 4 ones are 4, 3s are. So r cube is equal to 9 into 70 plus 3. So finally, students, I will get r is equal to, you can say 63t plus 27 raised to 1 by 3 units. is our answer of R in terms of T. Let us check which form students the answer is written. We can write the answer in different forms. This is the answer given in the back. So this word problem is one of the most interesting word problem, students, and according to me, if a word problem to be asked in exam, then students, this type of word problem should be asked in exam. So after t seconds, the radius of this spherical bulb, students, can be written in the form of R is equal to 63t plus 27 raised to 1/3 units. So rate of change of volume is constant. So dV by dt is equal to k, and based on that, students, we have developed the entire equation of R in terms of t, because radius is a function of time period. Now students, we are going for some number 20. Now again students, this type of word problems demands concentration and attention. In a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of R% per year. Now this is which in terms of compound interest and simple interest, which all of you have studied in example 6 and 7, but that is very long back. So what do we say? That initially principal is P and the time is T. In a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of R% per year. So let us say word problem, students, number 20. Let P be principal, R is equal to rate of interest, and T is equal to time period. So what is given? In a bank, principal increases, rate of increase of principal is dV by dt continuously at R% of P. R% per year means the rate of increase of principal is R% of P, and that is nothing but R by 100 to P. Now I am taking variable separable form and writing this as R by 100 integration dt plus C. So integration of this will be log mod P is equal to RT by 100 plus C is the general solution, students. This is the basic general solution. Now find the value of R if rupees 100 doubles in 10 years. Initially, at time now what we have to find the value of R if rupees 100 doubles in 10 years. Initially, at time t is equal to 0, P is equal to 100. So log 100 is equal to 0 plus C. So C will be log 100. So this is equation 1. Therefore, log P by 100 is equal to RT upon 100. Because if I take in this equation C is equal to log 100, then log P minus log 100 is log P by 100. Now, after 10 years, after T is equal to 10 years, P is equal to 200. So, log 200 upon 100 is equal to R into 10 upon 100. So log R is equal to 10 ln2. They have given ln2 as 0.2. 6.931. So this will be 6.931% approximately. The rate of interest will be 6.93% students. So this type of sums are again based on your fundamental understanding of how to form the differential equation, students. Let P is equal to principal, R is equal to rate of interest, T is equal to time period. The principal increases at the rate of R% of the original amount. So R% of P. So R calculated to. And then students, we have solved using the concept of variable separable form. So the rate of interest, students, would be approximately 6.931%. Or even I can write 6.93%. Let us check what is the answer given at the back. But to be very precise, students, we can write 6.93. Okay, they have written at the back 6.93% only. Okay, students, say is the word problem 21 or a similar type of word problem is some number 21. In a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of 5% per year. Here R is given as 5%. So P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, and T is the time period, which I am not reiterating again. In the previous one also we have done same. So according to given principal increases, rate of increase of principal is dp by dt is equal to 5% of T. So that is 5 by 100 into P. So 1 by 20 into P. This is, students, given to us. In a bank, principal increases continuously at the rate of 5% per year. So variable separable form 1 by P dp VD equal to 1 by 20 into 1 dt plus C. So log mod P is equal to T by 20 plus C is the general solution. Then an amount of ₹1000 is deposited in the bank at time T is equal to 0. At T is equal to 0, the amount deposited was 1000. So C will be log mod 1000 or log 1000. So substituting C, let us call this as equation 1. C is equal to log 1000 in equation 1. Log P minus log 1000 will be log P by 1000 is equal to T by 20. Then how much will be worth after 10 years? Okay, how much will it be worth after 10 years? So after T is equal to 10, we get log mod 10 years. Log mod P by 1000 is equal to 10 by 20 is equal to 1 by P. Write this in exponential form. P by 1000 is equal to e raised to half. So the amount will be e raised to half into 1000. We are already given e raised to 0.5 is 1.648 into 1000. So it will be 1648 rupees. So rupees 1000 after 10 years at the rate of 5% would be rupees 1648. So don't worry, students, this exponential terms will be already given. You don't have to find this on your own. Okay, now students, we are going to do the last word problem to complete this exercise. Already MCQ 23 students we have done. Now students, the last word problem, culture of bacteria. This type of sums are very important in microbiology. Students, this type of sums are very important in microbiology. In a culture of bacteria, the bacteria amount is 1 lakh. Initial bacteria. So, I start with the data collection at t is equal to 0. Number of bacteria can never be 0, otherwise they can never reproduce. Number of bacteria x0 is equal to 1 lakh. Then the number is increased by 10% in 2 hours. Okay. So suppose at any time t, number of bacteria is x. Clear? Then, in how many hours will the count reach 2 lakhs if the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number of bacteria present? Students, after what time the bacteria will multiply to 2 lakhs if the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the bacteria present? So I can write like this. The given equation is rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the bacteria at any given time. So dx by dt is equal to k into x, where k is a constant of proportionality. So variable separable form 1 by x dx will be k integration 1 dt plus c. So very easily students, you can develop this differential equation. And developing a differential equation is only, students, the main aspect of word problem. Developing, students, a differential equation is the main aspect of word problem. So if I am going to integrate this, then log mod x is equal to kt plus c, or I can write x is equal to e raised to kt plus. Both the ways, students, I can write x is equal to e raised to kt plus c, or even I can change and write x is equal to e raised to kt into lambda, where lambda is equal to e raised to c. Both the ways, students, many ways we can write the differential equation. Now what is given? At time t is equal to 0, the number of bacteria are 1 lakh. So this I am writing in substitution. This is very similar to your law of radioactivity decay. Ankit sir had taught you this in physics, but I am keeping this as equation 1. At t is equal to 0, x is equal to x0, which is 1 lakh. So c will be log mod 1 lakh. Therefore, substituting c in equation 1, we get log mod x by 1 lakh is equal to kt. Now students, what we have to do, the number increases by 10% in 2 hours. Okay. So after t is equal to 2 hours, number of bacteria increases by 10%. So it will be 1,10,000. It increases by 10% of original. So 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. So the number of bacteria will be 1 lakh 10,000. Therefore, K is equal to 1 by 2 log 11 upon 10. This 4 zeros gets cancelled. So log mod 1.1. This is students the answer of K. Now, when will be the bacteria 2 lakhs? At time t is equal to dash, x will be 2 lakhs. So t will be 1 by k log mod 2. 2 lakhs upon 1 lakh will be 2. So t will be, k will be 1 upon, so 2 upon log 1.1 into log 2. So I can write 2 into log 2 base 1.1 hours. After this many hours, the bacteria students will grow to double the initial. Let us see what form they have. Return the answer. The answer, students, is written in the same form. 2 log, they have kept as it is 2 log 2 upon log 1.1. Okay, we can write the answers in different forms, students. This is your final answer. We can apply the change of Bayes rule. All of you are aware with the change of Bayes rule, which has been applied in derivative. So after this many hours, the bacteria will grow to double of initial. Students, MCQ 20 is done. This completes our long exercise 9.4. Thank you, students. We'll continue the next lecture.